guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Beyond Filters. In today's video we are gonna create this eye look right here. I'm not zooming in because I need to take my intro really well. I'll be showing you step by step how did I reach to this eye right here, which I did not expect it as such, but it turned out really well. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. My concealer is done. I have used LA Girl Pro Conceal and I have concealed more on my lid for the fact that whatever we are using, whatever color we are using, it should be very much vibrant. So that's the reason I have covered a lot of my eyelid area and I guess it is set now. So yes, let's quickly jump into the video.
First, I picked the purple shade and gently tapped it on the outer corner of my eyes. Use small, round or circular motions just like you see in the close-up on the right side. Don't take it to the crease. Keep it on the outer lid only. Next, I grabbed the lightest shade from the same palette. I used it to blend the purple shade and also applied it in the crease area. I took the purple again to add more color on the outer part so the eyes really pop. I used a fluffy brush to blend everything nicely. For the inner part of eyelid or the space that we have left, I added the white shade. Then I took the purple again to add more color on the outer part so the eyes really pop. I used a fluffy brush to blend everything nicely. To define the eyes, I used the dark brown shade from the same palette. With an angled brush, I applied it like eyeliner on the top lash line. I applied the same purple shade on the lower lash line. Then I took kajal and applied it on my lower and upper waterline and tight lined it. After blending the kajal, I used the same brush I used for the purple to blend the lower lash area.
This is the final result. This is what I have created in my shorts. This is what I've already created, and this is the one I have shown the tutorial. I have improved my editing skills, and I believe that now you are able to see everything step by step. So if there is anything else, I am not applying anything on my cheeks or my forehead, for the fact that I'm having active pimple and I do not want to disturb it as of now. I have just applied my tint. I will be going with a little bit of lipstick, maybe like you can get an idea about how the look is going. I'm taking any random lipstick so that, yeah. Okay. I'm taking any random lipstick right now to just show you guys that if you are going with a full face of makeup, this is how it would look. So if there's any suggestion, if there's anything that you would want me to know from your side, or any other eye look, because as of now I have these colors, so I am willing to try them, and then I'll be ordering some more colors from Nykaa probably. I have a lot of videos now planned up. A lot of content is gonna come, the relatable ones, the ones which I'm continuing this crush series, and something really big is gonna come. So continue watching my channel, subscribe it, and bye bye, see you next week. Thank you so much for joining.